Hey there, viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to keep you safe and savvy. Today, we're diving into a topic that's all too relevant in 2025. How to get your money back from Venmo if you've been scammed. With digital scams on the rise, knowing the right steps can save you time, stress, and most importantly, your hard-earned cash. Let's jump right in. First off, if you realize you've been scammed on Venmo, act fast. That's your best defense. Start by opening the Venmo app and reporting the transaction immediately. Go to the activity feed, select the suspicious payment, and hit the Report button. This flags it for Venmo's team and could help in recovering your funds. Next, contact Venmo's support directly. In 2025, they've upgraded their system, so use the in-app chat or call their dedicated scam hotline. Provide all the details: the transaction ID, amount, and any evidence like screenshots or emails. Be clear and concise to speed up the process. Now, gather your evidence. This is crucial. Save every bit of communication with the scammer, including messages, receipts, and timestamps. If the payment was linked to your bank or card, reach out to them too. Many banks have fraud departments that can initiate a chargeback or reverse the transaction. If Venmo doesn't resolve it quickly, escalate the issue. File a dispute through Venmo's Resolution Center, and if needed, involve external authorities like the FTC or your local consumer protection agency. Remember, in 2025, new regulations might give you more leverage, so stay informed. To avoid future scams, always verify the recipient's identity, use Venmo's security features like PINs and two-factor authentication, and never send money to untrusted sources. It's all about being proactive. Wrapping this up, getting your money back from a Venmo scam is possible with quick action and the right steps. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you've got questions. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching.